Yes, sir.
Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Hello. Okay, tell me now. Am I audible now?
So your voice is lagging actually.
Okay. Now tell me. Audible?
No, sir, it is still lagging.
Still lagging.
Yes, sir.
Now I'm audible.
Yes, sir. Now you're.
Okay, so I was saying that are you aware of that bridge course?
Yes, sir. We are aware about that bridge course.
So in that we were in the starting of this class, uh, most probably the half an hour of the starting of the class. I'm going to take the concept of some important concepts of class 11 that we are going to use in this class because those concepts are very
Yes, sir.
important for this class, right?
Yes, sir.
So, do you do you know any particular topic in which you have some doubts, or should I start from
Sir, actually your voice is lagging. It's showing that you're having a
uh,
network issue.
or according to my perspective? Give me a second.
Sir, actually your voice is lagging.
Yeah, I got it. Just give me a second.
Okay, sir.
Now I'm audible. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, do you have doubt in any particular topic of class 11, or should I start according to my perspective?
No, sir. You can start according to your perspective.
Okay. So, some important topics that we are going to use in this class, in class 12. Uh, First of all, you have a sets, relation, and function. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
that this is also one of the most important chapters, and some topics of this chapter we are going to use in this that in the starting of the chapters, like relation and functions, right? And trigonometry.
Yes,
That
sir.
is also very important because in 12th class we have inverse trigonometric functions, right? We have
Yes,
inverse
sir.
trigonometric functions that is mostly on the identities, transformation, and understanding the domain and ranges, right?
Yes, sir.
So, and we also have some algebra, sequence series, complex number, quadratic equations. That chapters is also important. And straight line, see, in a straight line, some concepts are very important because in class 12 you have a 3D geometry, right?
Yes, sir.
So straight line concepts are also very important. So what do you want? From which topic should we start? See,
So any topic
that's
we can
relation.
take. So we
See,
can take relations and
I
functions.
think, yeah, because you also have your exams, and in that exam, relation and functions are going to come as a syllabus, right? So I think we should start from the sets topic, okay? The sets topic of class 11, because, and I will not solve each and every question completely, just I will uh, clear you the concepts, and just we can take a small example of some questions, okay? I will give you some questions to solve just to check whether you are clear with that concepts or not, right?
Okay, sir.
Is it okay? Great. My screen is visible. Screen is visible to you?
Yes, sir.
Right. So it's chapter one, right? So what do you mean by a relation? So you have a relation and
The
function.
release.
Relation I already told you
Yes.
in the first class.
Yes, sir.
So what do you
Like
mean
it
by
is a subset of A into A or a set of A.
Nadia? What do you mean by that?
Sir, empty set, null set.
See, these are the types of sets. I'm not asking that. I'm saying what do you mean by relation? Like in
The
mathematics,
extreme relation.
yeah, relation means that we have some elements in domain and we also have some elements in range. So some elements of domain have a relation with some element, have a relation with not some element. Uh, yeah, with the element of set B. So whenever these kind of relations are there, so in mathematics we use the word relation. And for a function, I think in the first class or second class I told you that in a function we must have only a single image in V, right? मैंने आपको स्टार्टिंग में बताया था कुछ ऐसा डायग्राम बना के. I made these type of two sets. Let's say this is A, B, C, and this is 1, 2. So this A is B, and this is this. So how we can write A related to 1, B related to
B
2,
related,
and C related to
C related to 1.
1. So is this function is this, see, this is a relation. This is a relation. If I'll ask
Yes,
you,
sir.
is this expression, is a relation or not, then you will say this is a relation. But if I'll ask you, is this relation is a function or not, then what you have to do to check is this relation is function, you have to check पहला element, like element of a domain must have only one image, one and only one image in set P. So इसमें आप देखोगे A has a one image. A has an image one, and B also have a image two, and C also have an image one. See, यहाँ पे A का बस एक ही image है. A only has only one image. That is one. B only has only one image. That is two. And C only has only one image. That is one. See, multiple things can have a same image, but A can't have two images. This is not a function. See, this is not a function, but this is a function. एक किसी डोमेन के एलिमेंट के मल्टीपल इमेज नहीं हो सकते. Like A can't have one and A can't have two. But two different elements of first set can have a same image. ये आपको बताया था मैंने in the first class, in the very first class. Then I think when I was taking for diagnostic test.
Yes, sir.
आगे आपको क्लियर हुआ ये चीज?
Yes, sir.
So tell me, is this relation is a function or not?
Yes, sir.
Is this relation is a function or not? that I have written here, A1, B2, and C1. This
Yes, sir. This relation is a function.
function. Adem, is this the function or not?
Yes, sir, it is.
You have some doubt, I guess.
No,
You want
sir.
to be convincing.
No, sir, I don't have any doubt.
And tell me why this is a function.
Sir,
Why
because
the
it has AB and BC.
AB and BC?
Sir, because they have proper image.
What proper image? What
So
proper image?
because it has domain and range.
See, domain and range तो सभी functions relations के पास होता है. You are making a relation, then definitely that thing has must have some domain and range. तभी तो relation बनेगा. This is a function because each and every element of set A, or you can say set first, has only one and only one image in set B. If I assume this as a set A and this as a set B, understand?
Yes, sir.
So आते यहाँ पे चेक करो, ए जो एलिमेंट है आपका, उसका एक ए का इमेज है वन, बी का इमेज है टू, सी का इमेज है वन. यहाँ पे मैंने आपको बताया कि ए एंड सी के सेम इमेज हो सकते हैं. ए और सी का सेम इमेज हो सकता है इन बी, बट ए के अगर मल्टीपल इमेज है किसी एक एलिमेंट, दैट एलिमेंट शुड बी फ्रॉम डोमेन, एनी एलिमेंट फ्रॉम डोमेन, if that element is having more than one images in set B, then that relation is not going to be a function. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Adya?
Yes, sir.
So in this case, A is having one and A is having two. That means A is having multiple images in set B. So we can't say that this is a function. So this statement is wrong. So this is not a function. But in this relation, A का image 1 है, B का image 2 है, C का image 1 है. A and C के multiple images नहीं है. A और C का एक ही image है, that is 1. That means we are having this
Yes.
case, right? We are having this
Yes.
case. So we can say this is a function. This is definitely a
Yes, sir.
function, right? So this was the
Yes, sir.
basic concept of relation and function, how we can differentiate whether our relation is a function or not, right? Now I am moving to the set part of class 11. Okay, so I think you know how to represent the sets and how to write. And we have two forms. One is
Yes.
roster and one is right.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have a two form. One is roster and one is set builder. Right.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So I think you both must aware of that how we can represent a set. Do you have any doubt in that? How we are going to represent a set?
No, sir.
No. Other you have some any doubt in that?
No, sir.
See,
Sir.
yes.
So first three chapter relations and functions, inverse trigonometric functions and matrices. These three chapters are coming for the exam. And next month
And
our exams
exam
are
is on
starting.
next month.
Like our exams are starting, yes, sir. Like it's starting from May 19th.
May 9th. Okay, we have time. We can. I think we will finish that three chapters also. Starter will finish that.
Yes, sir.
You have three chapter matrices. So the
Matrices,
if I Matrices and relation
Inverse
and function.
trigonometric function. Yes,
Okay,
first three chapters.
for the first two chapters. So, if I talk about matrices, then we are on the multiplication of matrices. Okay. So I'm going to take more, I think, 2 or 3 lectures. In that lectures, we are going to finish your matrices part, and we will see that when we will come to after finishing this matrices, I'll see that which chapter we should start. I think we should start from the chapter number 1, that is the relation and function. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So today I will teach you some concepts. I will clear some doubts of class 11. I just want these topics to be very well covered by you guys because we are going to use this chapter, these concepts in our whatever our syllabus of class 12. Okay, okay, आपने कोई book purchase किया? You have some book, some reference book.
Yes, sir.
Have you purchased some guide, some reference book?
No, sir. Like till now, we did not decided like which guide we should purchase. We are planning
See,
to see like which one is
how
like effective.
इसमें डिसाइड नहीं करना, कोई भी एक बुक ले लो. अरिहंत इज ऑल्सो गुड. ओके, यू कैन
Okay,
टेक
sir.
एनी reference book, any guide. Arihant is also very good because in the starting you have to solve more and more questions because more the question you will solve, आपका थोड़ा practice अच्छा होगा. At last we can have some sample papers. Okay, don't worry about that.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we are on the set. So we can represent set in two forms. One is roster form and one is set builder form. Right?
Yes,
So
sir.
in roster form, you already know about how to represent the set in the roster form. In roster form, we use these curly brackets. And if we, let's say, if I have to write some, this is X, if I have to write vowels, then how I will write A, E, I, O, U. These are vowels. And this is what type of form this is? This is roster form.
Roster form.
This is roster form. And we also know this form by tabular form. This is also known as tabular form, right?
Yes, sir.
And the other type of form is the second one is set builder form.
Yes, sir.
In set builder form, I can say that let uh,
We
I can
write it
say
in a
like
like
X
sentence form.
like this. X is a vowel. I can write like this. Okay. So this is set builder form and this is roster form. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think
Yes, sir.
this is very easy and आप लोग को इसमें कोई डाउट नहीं होगा, है ना?
Yes, sir.
So what else is important from this chapter is okay. Okay, so there are some types of set. One is empty set. Do you know what is empty set? Tell me about empty set. Adya, tell me about empty set.
Sir, MD said
Hmm?
sir, zero.
The empty set is a set in which we do not have any element, right? We are also we can also say that as a null set or as a void set. A set which does not contain any element is called एम्प्टी सेट, नल सेट और द वॉइड सेट।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
और हम इसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं? वी ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट दिस सेट बाय फाइव। वी ऑल्सो रिप्रेजेंट दिस बाय फाइव, और we can represent by curly bracket and no element inside is curly bracket. So this is the
Yes.
representation of null set, or you can say empty set, whatever you want to say. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And the next one is the finite and infinite set. तो आपको ये पता होगा इनफाइनाइट फाइनाइट सेट क्या होता है, इनफाइनाइट सेट क्या होता है? Okay. Okay, I am giving you two
Yes, sir.
examples. On the basis of that, just tell me whether that set is a finite or infinite. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Let's say if I'll give you an example, right, like natural number. This is the representation of natural number, that is n. Natural number greater than or equal to 6. Okay. And the second, this is the first one, and this is the second one. Natural number less than 6. Okay, so if I'll ask you that natural number less than 6 and natural number greater than or equal to 6, so in which of these is a finite and or infinite set? The first one is a finite or infinite set.
Sir, the first one is finite. No,
First
no,
one is
sir,
finite, right?
infinite.
Infinite set. Okay, Hadia, the first one.
Sir,
Hmm?
no, sir, the first one is finite.
First one is finite. Okay. And Hadia, what's your answer?
Sir, it's infinite.
Infinite. See, whenever uh, you are facing some problem to recognize whether this is a finite or infinite, then first of all, see, your first step should be making the set. Either in a, see, this is given set builder form. Like natural number is greater than 6. So it is advisable to convert that into roster form. Because in roster form आप लोग को थोड़ा सा आसान लगेगा वो चीज. So how you're going to
Yes,
change this? Like natural number greater than or equal to 6. So what is natural number? One that is starting from 1 and goes to infinite. So for the first one, we have to include 6 also. So 6, 7, 8, 9, और ये कहाँ तक जाएगा? This will be up to infinite. So this is definitely a infinite set, right? So if I clear हो आपको why
yes,
this is
sir.
infinite set? You were saying
Yes, sir.
finite, then infinite, then finite. Now it is clear to you why this is an infinite set.
Yes, sir.
So this is an infinite set, right? Now if I
Yes,
talk
sir.
about the second one, if I talk about the second one, so in that n is less than 6, what it means? That n is a natural number, okay? N is a natural number less than 6. So can you tell me the elements inside the set that are natural number and less than 6?
Sir, 1 to 5.
1 to 5. Adya?
Sir, 1 to 9.
1 to 9. Okay. See, Adya, आपको 1 to 9 कैसे लगता है? N is a less than 6. What do you mean by this? N is less than 6.
Oh, yes, sir, 1 to 5.
1 to 5 होगा. नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है? 1 से स्टार्ट होता है एंड गोज टू इनफिनिट. बट यहाँ पे कंडीशन क्या है, दैट n should be less than 6. So in that case 1 2 3 4 and 5. So this is a finite, right? We are not going to some infinite value. So we have to say this is a finite set. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Adya, is it clear to
So
you?
we can consider yes, sir. -1 also, right?
Minus 1. Minus 1 is a natural number.
Yes, sir, but
Not
it's
a
like
natural number.
natural number less than, greater than, I mean, sorry, less than 6, right? So we can say -1, -2, -3, 0.
Okay, so and minus 1 is a natural number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Minus 1 is a natural number.
So it can be even natural both.
आप ये बताओ नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है?
Sir, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinity.
तैयबा आप बताना नेचुरल नंबर क्या होता है?
Yes, sir. 1 is a natural number.
No, I'm not asking 1. I'm asking what is a natural number? What a natural number?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 till infinite. You
So
can say.
how can you say that minus 1 is a natural number? Is it right or wrong?
So it's wrong.
So the natural number, which is I already told you that this n is a natural number, and n is less than 6. So we are starting this natural number starts from 1, and hence this is a n less than 6. So we can't go above 5. If it was like n greater than 6, sorry, if it was like n less than or equal to, if अगर यहाँ पे cos sign होता, like यहाँ पे लेस देन के साथ ये एक और साइन होता है इक्वल टू का, तो मैं यहाँ पे 6 इंक्लूड करता, बट हमारे पास बस लेस देन का साइन है, दैट्स वाई 6 को इंक्लूड नहीं किया मैंने. अंडरस्टूड?
Yes.
एंड दिस इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम 1. Minus 1 is not a natural number. Natural number are those number that start from 1 and goes to infinite. But in this case, we are having less than 6. So ये सारे number 6 से less है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is a finite set. Understood? What do you mean by infinite and what do you mean by finite set? Now is it clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
Okay, good. And one more type is equal set. I hope you understand. You know what are equal sets. When each and every element of set A equals to set B. Exactly same element to अगर हमारे दोनों set के पास. Like if I say I have a set A that have element A, B, C, and I have a set B that have element A, B, C. Then in that case, what can I say? That A is equals to B. I can say this, है ना? मैं ऐसा कह सकता हूँ, right?
Yes, sir.
When I have same elements, then I can say this. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Let's say if I'll give you if I'll give you a question. Let's say you have a whole number less than 6. Okay. अच्छा, मेरे को अब एक चीज बताना, मैं आपसे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा हूँ, मेरे को बताना कि whether these two sets are equal sets or not. ठीक है?
Okay, sir.
Like you have a set, let's say whole number less than 5. Okay. You have a B set which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So tell me, is A equals to B? That means equal sets. Is they are equal sets or not? Tell me quickly.
Yes, sir. They are equal sets.
Adya?
Sorry. Yes, sir.
Hmm?
Yes, sir. It's correct.
से मैंने आपको कहा जब आपको डाउट आ रहा है ना तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, जो भी सेट आपके पास रोस्टर फॉर्म में उसको नहीं, सेट बिल्डर फॉर्म में उसको आप रोस्टर फॉर्म में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हो। राइट। सो
Yes.
फर्स्ट सेट इज ए, दैट इज अ होल नंबर लेस देन 5। सो आप उसको कन्वर्ट करोगे तो क्या आएगा आपके पास? When you will convert this whole number less than 5, then what you will get? Whole number. What are whole numbers?
0, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right. So A को जब आप convert करोगे, when you will convert this A, then what you will get? A को जब आप सेट रोस्टर रोस्टर फॉर्म में लिखोगे तो 1 2 3 4, बस यही आएगा आपको बस। एंड यू कैन चेक दैट दीज टू सेट्स आर इक्वल, सो दिस इज इक्वल। That way we can say that A and B are the equal sets.
Yes, sir.
Is it okay? So this was null set, finite set, infinite set. Okay, equal set, right? So these are the some important type of a set. Understood?
Yes, sir.
So the next, no, the next important thing is subset. So what do you mean by subset? If I if I say that A is a subset of B, then what do you mean by that?
So what?
If I say that X is, if I say that A is a subset
Hmm.
of B, this is the symbol for subset. This symbol, this symbol is of what? Subset. ये सबसेट रिप्रेजेंट करता है, सबसेट का सिंबल है। If I
Yes,
say
sir.
A is a subset of B, that means A is a part of B। इसका मतलब ये हुआ, ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
आदिया, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by subset? Tell me.
Yeah, sorry, sir.
What do you mean by subset?
Sir, that belongs to B.
Not that belongs to B. If I say that A is a subset of B, then you can say that A is a part of B. That means if I say that B is something like uh, let's suppose B is a alphabets, okay, from A to Z. And if I say A is a vowel, then you can say A is a subset of B. Understand? Because that vowels are also the part of B, a small part of B.
Yes, sir.
समझ आ रहा है हादी आप?
Yes, sir.
So if I say that A is a consonant, no, not consonant, let's alphabets.
Yes, sir.
if I say A is alphabets and B are vowel, okay, right?
Yes,
Adya?
sir. Yes, sir.
So now tell me which of these statement is correct. Adya and Taiva, both of you tell me.
Um, Sir, A belongs to B. The first one is correct.
See, this is not this symbol. You can't say this is belongs to. Belongs to का symbol ये होता है.
Sorry, sir. This is subset.
So this is subset. Yeah,
Yes, sir.
I told you this is subset. And ये symbol जो होता है, this means belongs to. In mathematics, not I'm not talking about in physics that epsilon.
Yes, sir.
I'm not talking about the physics part because this symbol also represent as a epsilon in physics, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is the value of epsilon naught?
Yes, sir.
Am I audible now? Am I audible clearly?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is the value of epsilon naught?
Sir,
Hmm? Adya, you know about that? Epsilon naught?
sir, actually, I
Eh,
forgot.
forgot. Epsilon naught is a some constant whose value is 8 point, I guess 8.85 into 10 is power minus 12.
8.5, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 13 something it is. It is
Minus
epsilon
13
value,
or
I think.
minus 12.
Yeah, minus 12.
You can check it out. But that is epsilon. Okay. But in mathematics, this symbol belongs to. That means if I say, see, यहाँ पे मैंने ये सिंबल कब यूज होता है? यहाँ पे ये सिंबल तब यूज होगा जब ये और ये both are sets. Both are sets, right? But
Yes, sir.
if I say that x belongs to a, अगर मैं ये यूज करता हूँ तो यहाँ पे this is element and this is set. So this symbol is used when some element belongs to a set. But this symbol is used when we are having when there is a presence of both sets, right? ये आपको समझ आया? What is the difference between this belongs to and this belongs to and this subset? आगे समझ आया आपको? तैयबा? Hello? I'm audible?
Yes, yes, sir.
You have some doubt? If you have some doubt, please ask because that part is only for you guys. I just want the concepts to be clear. If you have some doubt, please ask freely.
No, sir, we understood everything.
Understood? So
Yes, sir.
my question was A is alphabet, A is a set that are alphabets, and B are the set that are vowels. that are vowels. Okay. So मैं आपसे पूछ रहा था कौन सा इसमें से सही होगा दिस A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A. Always remember one thing, that if I say A is a subset of B, then in this case, this is a larger set. This is a larger set, and this is a smaller set. Smaller set by size, okay? The number of elements. Now understood. Now I think this uh, this is my going to help you. Tell me, is A is a subset of B or B is a subset of A?
A is a subset of B.
A is subset of B. Okay. Arya,
Sir, I already told the answer.
you give the answer. How your voice is changed?
Yes, sir.
You know that. Adya, you gave this answer.
Yes, sir.
Taiba, your answer.
So we can consider it from both the sides. A is a subset of B, B is a subset of A. We can say it in the both way.
Sure. Okay. So you are saying that, see, यहाँ आपको मैंने क्या बताया? If A is a subset of B, then A is a smaller set. That means A is a part of B. B is a
Yes.
larger set, right? B is a
Larger set.
larger set. So अगर B larger set है, तो इसमें इसमें लार्जर सेट क्या हुआ? ए लार्जर सेट है, बी लार्जर सेट है? Vowels are more in number or alphabets are more in number?
So alphabets are more in number. No, sir, vowels are more in number.
अच्छा, vowels ज्यादा होते हैं अल्फाबेट से? How many alphabets are there?
No, sir. So vowels are less. Like
First of all, tell me how many alphabets are there?
there are 26.
Hmm? You have doubt in this? 26. Your voice seems to like some. You have some doubt in this. हादिया, आप बताओ ना कितने vowels, कितने alphabets
No,
होते
sir,
हैं
it's 26
beginning?
only. 26 alphabets are there.
हादिया,
Sir, it's 26.
and how many vowels are there?
Sir, vowels, sir, 5.
5. अच्छा, तैयब आप बताओ तो कितने vowel होते हैं?
Sir, 5.
5. So 5 are vowels and 26 are alphabets. तो डेफिनेटली अल्फाबेट तो ज्यादा नंबर में हुए, तो मैंने यहाँ पे क्या बताया था? दैट वट एवर इज इन ऑन द राइट हैंड साइड, दैट मस्ट बी अ लार्जर सेट. तभी जो स्मॉलर सेट होगा वो सबसेट होगा लार्जर सेट का, राइट?
Yes,
सो
sir.
अल्फाबेट शुड बी ऑन राइट हैंड साइड. सो द फर्स्ट रिलेशन इज रॉन्ग, सेकंड वन इज राइट. क्यों? बिकॉज B is a subset of A. B is a part of A. B is a
Yes,
part
sir.
of A. That
So,
means
like,
vowels are
A
included. A,
is,
E, I, O, U. Vowels are included in what? A to Z. ठीक है, vowels include होते हैं उसमें.
yes, sir.
Alphabet is not a part, not a subset of these vowels, because alphabet are 26 in number. Alphabets are,
Ye-
while vowels are only 5. But vowels can be a part of that alphabets, right? Because vowels are 5 and alphabets are 26. So B is a subset of A. ठीक है, ये आपको समझ आया बेसिकली व्हाट सबसेट मींस?
Yes, sir.
हादिया, क्लियर?
Sir, yes, sir.
तैयबा, इज इट क्लियर टू यू?
Yes, sir.
आर यू श्योर?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so today I'm finishing this topic till here only. And in next class, what we will do? In next class, I will start some important topics from set only, and then we will move further. Okay, now we are going to do the matrix chapter. Okay,
Yes, sir.
do we have some doubt in this concept that we have learned today? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Adi, is it clear to you? Never?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Both of you clear?
Yes, Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's move to our main topic that is uh, what we were doing. We we have finished till a type of matrix that is zero null matrix and zero matrix, है ना?
Yes, sir. So we stopped in multiplication of matrices.
Okay, we have to start from multiplication of matrices. Okay, that is important topic. Please listen carefully and focus on this because I think after test में भी multiplication of matrix का question है. So I want
No, sir.
that
Actually,
topic to be discussed. What?
the test which was supposed to be held today, we scheduled it
Mhm.
on Saturday, 5 p.m. KSA timing, because at 9 o'clock we are not available. We have some other work.
KSA time. What do you mean by that KSA? That that time
The
standard?
Indian and KSA timings are different. Like if over here if it's
Oh, I know.
8:30,
2 hours
so in
or
India
3.
it will.
Okay, what time is there?
So over here it's 8:26.
8:26. And here it is 10:58. Almost 11. 8:26
Yes.
and 11. 3.5 hours. Almost 3.5 hours. Okay, so we have to start from the multiplication, है ना?
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा ध्यान देना क्योंकि ये आगे टॉपिक्स बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है और आगे यूज होगा.
Okay, sir.
या मल्टीप्लिकेशन मैट्रिसेस. ओके सो अच्छा मैंने स्टार्ट करा दिया था आई गेस मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ मैट्रिसेस.
Yes, sir. We did some questions on it.
है ना? लेट मी चेक.
Yes, sir. We did some
या
examples
या
questions.
ओके सो आई एम गिविंग इट द क्विक ग्लिम्स ऑफ दैट. तो मैंने आपको एक चीज बताया होगा दैट इफ लेट्स से दिस इज अ मैट्रिक्स 3 cross 4 and if I want this matrix to be get multiplied by b then then this must have uh, let's say if it is 4 cross 3 then only we can multiply. बताया था ना मैंने. Why? Because this 4 and this 4 number of
And number of rows are same.
columns should be equal to number of rows. ठीक है.
Yes,
जो
sir.
फर्स्ट के नंबर ऑफ रोज है. See in matrices what we have in matrices AB is not equal to PA. This is very important.
Yes, sir.
ओके मैट्रिसेस में क्या होता है ना आप ए और बी को मल्टीप्लाई कर रहे हो वो अलग आएगा और बी ए दैट इज डिफरेंट. ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
ए बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी ए. यू विल रियलाइज दिस व्हेन यू विल मल्टीप्लाई समथिंग. ओके ये मैं आपको शो करके भी बताऊंगा. तो to have some to get two matrices get multiplied, you must have the number of columns that should be equal to the number of rows. If you're having four here, then you should have four here. And what should be the what will be the order of the resultant matrix, that is AB matrix. इस matrix का resultant क्या होगा? See, this four and this four is must be same. Okay. So what is left?
Yes, sir.
Is three and three. So three rows and three columns.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So आप लोग को आई थिंक पता है कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करना है. सो प्लीज मल्टीप्लाई दिस क्वेश्चन एंड अच्छा ये मैंने करा दिया था मल्टीप्लिकेशन. लेट मी सी इफ आई हैव सम मोर प्रॉब्लम और नॉट. अच्छा हाँ देखो मैं आपको एक एग्जाम क्वेश्चन बता रहा था. लेट सी आई टोल्ड यू दैट ए बी इज नॉट इक्वल टू बी ए in matrices. This is important. You can't write AB equals to BA. Understood? So based on this, we have exam. Yes. Do you have some doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You have some doubt?
Yes. No, sir.
See, I told you that AB should not be equal to BA. This is not, uh, in matrix, this is not possible. No, I can't say this is not possible. For some type of cases, this can be possible. But in normal multiplication, we can't write AB equal to B. Okay. And how we can write? How we can prove this? Let's say if I have A 1 0 0 minus 1 and B 0 1 minus 1 0. तो इसको आप ना क्या करो, ए बी फाइंड करो, ए इंटू बी फाइंड करो और बी इंटू ए फाइंड करो. ये दोनों फाइंड करके मेरे को बताओ कितना आ रहा है आपका मैट्रिक्स. सी
Mm.
is this first of all before multiplication you should check whether the multiplication is possible or not. This is having 2 cross 2 and this is having 2 cross 2. So this 2 and this 2. So we can multiply, है ना? And what should be
Yes,
the
sir.
order of the resultant matrix?
It will be 2 into 2.
2 into 2. The left rows and columns, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so ए बी कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं आपको पता है ना मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करते थे. आर यू
Yes, sir.
रिवाइजिंग एट होम और नॉट? रिवाइज करोगे तभी याद रहेगा नहीं तो भूल जाएगा. सी फॉर द फर्स्ट एलिमेंट what you should do, take this and this one and this one, multiply this element to 0, this element to minus of 1 and add. ये करोगे तो आपको ये वाला पहला एलिमेंट मिल जाएगा. For this second element, what you should do, you should take this one and this column. Understood?
Yes, sir.
ऐसे करके ए भी फाइंड करो और बी ये फाइंड करो. Find both of the matrices and tell me whether they are equal or not. First of all, find this AB and BE. Find करके बताओ मेरे को.
Okay, sir.
And please tell me when you are done. And whenever you stuck somewhere, please take 1 or 2 minutes to think. और अगर फिर भी नहीं आ रहा फिर मेरे से पूछना.
Okay, sir. Sir,
Yes.
sir, for AP I'm getting 0, 0, 0, 0.
No, that is wrong.
Sir, is it 0, 1, 1, 0 for AB?
0, 1 is right, but in the second row, first column, you have mistake. That should be minus of 1. Please check one more time. और हादिया को बताओ कैसे किया आपने.
Oh, yes, sir, it will be minus of 1.
माइनस में हादिया को थोड़ा समझाओ, देखो समझ आ रहा है, नहीं तो फिर मैं बताता हूँ.
Yes, sir, I understood.
अंडरस्टूड.
Yes, sir.
सी दिस इज AB और AB 1, 0, 0, -1 एंड 0, 1, -1, 0. इसको जब आप मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो दिस एंड दिस 1 0 is a 0 and 0 minus 1 is 0. So this is 0. Now this and this one. 1 1 is 1 plus 0 into 0, that is 0. 1. और इसको करोगे तो 0 into 0, that is 0, minus 1 into 1, that is, hold on, I think this is equal to 1. Actually it was 1, not minus 1. This was 1, but no problem, we can also go with these data also. So -1. Okay, Taiba, I think you were right. This is 1, okay? यहाँ पे 1 होगा, -1 नहीं होगा.
Okay, sir.
आपने रीचेक किया और आपको -1 मिल गया. हाउ?
Yes, sir.
हाउ? You do not have confidence on your calculation?
No, sir, I had, but I was a bit confused.
मतलब मैंने कंफ्यूज किया.
Yes, sir. I know.
But you must have confidence on your calculation. You can't get confused just by saying others. If you are solving, you must have confidence on your calculation. That whatever you are doing, that are going to be correct. है ना?
Yes, sir.
So this is 1 and 0 times 1, this is 0. So this is AB, okay? This is AB. आगे समझ आया how this AB, how we are
Yes,
calculating
sir.
this, है ना? Now similarly calculate BA.
So for B, I'm getting -1, 0, 1, 0.
Okay. आदिया आप कैलकुलेट करो, बताओ क्या आ रहा
So wait.
है. I'm ready.
Sir?
They are done.
Yes, sir. Sir, for PA, I'm getting 0, -1, -1, 0.
Okay. We are getting 0, -1, -1, 0. So this is
Yes.
Taiwa's answer and this is Adia's answer. Okay.
Hmm.
Okay. Take them. So for BA, you are getting so BA should be 0, 1, -1, 0, and 1, 0, 0, -1. Okay. So 0 times this and this times this, that is 0. 0 times that and this times this, that is -1. Okay. Seems to be still that Bhatia has done correctly. -1 and 0, that is -1, 0. So Bhatia, your answer is right. Taiba,
Yes.
what you want, आप क्या करना चाहते थे? गलत कर दिया ना कुछ?
Yes, sir.
कहाँ मिस्टेक हुआ बताओ, देखो ऐसे नहीं देखना है बस. यस सर, आई फाउंड द मिस्टेक. एकदम श्योरली चेक करो कहाँ पे मिस्टेक हुआ है. इफ यू हैव सम डाउट इन कॉन्सेप्ट हाउ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग एंड हाउ वी आर एडिंग, देन प्लीज आस्क. ये मैंने ये मैंने रो उठाया और ये मैंने कॉलम उठाया. इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया 1 से, इसको मल्टीप्लाई किया 0 से, फिर मैंने ऐड कर दिया. तो दिस 0 टाइम 1 दैट इज 0, 1 टाइम 0 दैट इज 0, तो 0 प्लस 0 इज 0. आधी ऐसे किया आपने.
Yes, sir.
Taiba, is it clear to you
Yes, sir, I
how we are
understood.
multiplying, how we are taking the row, how we are taking the column? See, this row and this column is for the first element, that is A11. What I told you about this A11, in this A is 1 is a row and another one is a column, है ना? ठीक है. So
Yes, sir.
first row, first column, that is this first element. This means ये जो आपका सेकंड एलिमेंट है, ये कहाँ पे है? फर्स्ट रो और सेकंड कॉलम में है ना?
Yes,
तो
sir.
आप फर्स्ट रो को लोगे, फर्स्ट रो एंड सेकंड कॉलम एंड देन सिमिलरली मल्टीप्लाई. ठीक है ना?
Yes, sir.
So that is how we are going to do the matrix multiplication. Okay. Now, if I talk about what was our question, we actually want to see whether AB is equals to V or not. So just check AB and BC. Sorry, AB and BA, whether they are equal or not. बताओ.
Yes, sir. They are.
Never that
No, sir, they are not equal.
they are not equal. AB is not equal to BA. This is very important. In matrix multiplication, we can't say AB is equals to BA. Every time we can't say AB is equals to BA. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Are they clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So there is a statement. See, अगर ये होता है, अगर ए बी बी ए के इक्वल होता है तो हम उसको क्या बोलते हैं? कम्यूटेटिव. मैंने आपको बताया था दिस इज कम्यूटेटिव. व्हेन वी वर डूइंग द लॉ, then in that I told you some laws, associative law, commutative law. This is commutative. But for this, what you will write, for matrix, what you will write, this, no, not this, thus matrix multiplication, matrix multiplication is not commutative. Understood? Matrix multiplication is not commutative. That means you can't write AB is equals to PA.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है? क्लियर है तैयबा?
Yes.
आदिया
Yes, sir.
क्लियर है आपको?
Yes, sir.
So in matrix multiplication, you can't say this is a commutative because AB और BA इक्वल नहीं आता है. आपके सामने देखो, AB is 0 1 1 0 and BA is 0 -1 and -1 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so quickly multiply this. You have, and this time I hope you both of will uh, do the do by the correct method and give me the correct answer.
Okay, sir.
इस पर थोड़ा ध्यान से करना, गलती मत करना.
Okay, sir.
See, आप 10 सेकंड एग्जाम में भी आप, दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग दैट यू कैन टेक 10 seconds more in thinking about how we are going to solve this question or this question or what concept we are going to use. But हड़बड़ी में एकदम जल्दी जल्दी में in the rush we can't like just do whatever whatever the things coming in our mind. Like
Yes,
आपने
sir.
मान लीजिए एक क्वेश्चन देखा है ना, एक क्वेश्चन देखा मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन, आपने बस ऐसे मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया विदाउट सेइंग एनी व्हाट आर द ऑर्डर्स एंड व्हाट आर दिस. जस्ट टेक 10 सेकेंड टू थिंक अबाउट दैट क्वेश्चन, है ना. पहले सोचो कैसे करना है क्वेश्चन को इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ 10 to 15 seconds. उतना काफी होता है सोचने के लिए. आपको क्वेश्चन देख के you will definitely get an idea about that. In 10 to 15 seconds, you can get an idea that how this question is going to solve. Okay.
Yes, sir.
3 5 and 0 0. Find AB. AB क्या होगा? कैलकुलेट करो, बताओ.
Sir,
हम्म.
the answer is 0200.
Whose answer is this? Adya, your answer?
Hatia. Yes, sir.
Strong. दोबारा देखो. Check carefully. You must have made some mistake.
Yes, sir. Sir, is it 0700?
No, still wrong.
Sir, is it 30010?
ना 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 ना, गलत है. What you are doing? How many times I told you about this multiplication and you are still making a mistake. This is very easy part here. This
Sir,
is 2 cross 2 multiplication. You have to do 3 cross 3. You might have to solve 4 cross 4.
sir,
Hmm?
sir, is it 0000?
Yeah, is it 0 0? It is 0 0 0 0.
Sir, how?
How? How it is 0 0? अच्छा देखो. Adya, see how this is 0. We have to find AB. So this is 0, this is minus of 1, this is 0, and this is 2. And this is 3, this is 5, this is 0, this is 0. तो मुझे सबसे पहले ये उठाना है और ये उठाना है ना.
Yes, sir.
तो 0 टाइम्स 3,
0.
0, minus 1 times 0, 0. So I can write here 0, sorry, 0, है ना. 0 plus 0 is 0.
Yes,
Now
sir.
what I have to do? I have to take, for the second element, what I have to do? I have to take this first row and second column, because यहाँ पे first row second column होगा यहाँ पे, है ना. This is first row R1 and this is column 2. Understood now?
Yes, sir.
This is column 2, row 1. तो मैं यहाँ पे, मेरे को फर्स्ट रो चाहिए एंड कॉलम 2 चाहिए. So see, 0 times 5, 0, minus 1 times this 0, 0. 0 plus 0 is 0, again 0. अब यहाँ पे आप देखो खुद, यहाँ पे मुझे ये उठाना है और ये उठाना है. तो 0 times 3, 0, 2 times 0, that is 0. So 0 here also. Now this row and this row. 0 times 5, that is 0. 2 times 0, that is 0. So this is also 0. अब समझ आया how?
Yes, sir.
समझ आया आपको how this is, how we are doing this?
Yes, sir.
ठीक है.
Yes, sir.
So now in multiplication of a matrix we have some properties that are very 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 important, because whenever you found some algebra type of questions, so in that you can't just multiply blindly. You have to play with some algebra, then at last you can just multiply for the simplicity. See, what I'm saying, that you have some properties, you have some laws. Like you have the first law, that is associative law. आपको ये पहले ही पता है इसके बारे में, मैं ऑलरेडी बता चुका हूँ. दिस इज associative law. So in associative law, what we have, if we have three matrices, ठीक, A, B and C are matrices, ठीक है ना. यहाँ पे A, B, C are matrices. Okay,
Yes, sir.
ये चीज ध्यान रखना, A, B, C are matrices. So under the associative law, what we can do, if AB multiplied, AB matrix is multiplied by C, then we can take A outside and we can multiply BC. This is, we can do, if we are having A matrix, we can write it as AB into C equals to A into BC. इसका मतलब आप समझ रहे हो ना. What do you mean by this
Yes,
AB? That means you have to multiply matrix A with matrix B, and then after getting the multiplication of that, after getting that, you have to multiply that to the matrix C. You can't multiply C with that matrix. You have to multiply in the order. Okay, ठीक है ये चीज.
yes,
तो
sir.
ये आप कैसे क्या कर सकते हो कि this should be equals to A into BC. This is what this is. associative log. Now the other is distributive log. Distributive log नाम से पता चल रहा है distributive. That means you have to distribute some matrices. That means like if you have A, B plus C, then you can write it as AB plus AC. Please focus on the order. You can't write CA. You have to write AC. You can't write BA. You have to write AB. This order is very important. You have to write AB. You have to write CA. This is multiplied by this, and this is got multiplied by C. समझ आ रहा है आपको ये चीज?
Yes, sir.
Now the multiplicative inverse.
Okay.
Sorry, not multiplication. The existence of multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity.
Multiplicative identity. Do you know what is identity matrix? I will tell you about that. See, the multiplicative of existence of multiplicative identity. Okay, I think before that you should know what is identity matrix. अच्छा मैं आपको बताता हूँ उसके बाद मैं बताता हूँ मल्टीप्लिकेटिव आइडेंटिटी को बोलो audible?
Yes, sir.
I'm audible.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, existence of a multiplicative identity. So in that you can write like this. A first of all A is a square matrix. What do you mean by square matrix? मैंने जब मैट्रिक्स का टाइप कराया था तब मैंने आपको पढ़ाया था. What do you mean by square matrix? Hmm? You remember something or not? Square matrix में M should be equal to N. What it means?
M into N.
Rows and columns are equal. बताया था कि नहीं बताया था मैंने? Square
Yes,
matrix यार
yes, sir.
वही बनेगा ना. Like if this is a square matrix, if I have two rows and I have two columns, so this is a square. ये लेंथ और ये लेंथ बराबर है. बताया था. Have I told you this or not? This length and
Yes,
this
sir,
length
you
and this length and
do.
this length. This is equal. So यहाँ पे कितने कॉलम है? C1, C2. रोज कितने हैं? R1, R2. So number of rows are two. Number of columns are two. So rows and columns are equal. So this is a square
Yes, sir.
matrix. So for existence of multiplicative identity, you must have a first of all you must have a square matrix. है ना? The first condition
Yes,
should
sir.
be for every square matrix there exists an identity matrix of same order. What do you mean by that same order? There exists an identity matrix of a same order such that I times A is equals to A times I is equals to A. This is multiplicative identity. Okay, this is multiplicative identity. And what do you mean by that A? See, A का कितना है? मान लो A है let's say A is some matrix 1, 2, 0, 2. Okay, so this is let's say 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So यहाँ पे I क्या होगा? I सेम ऑर्डर का होना चाहिए. तो I is an identity matrix. Identity matrix. Identity matrix
Yes.
क्या होता है? Matrix whose diagonal elements is 1. Yeah, I think I told you about this. शायद मैंने बता चुका हूँ मैं. Matrix in which diagonal elements, diagonal elements are 1. अच्छा यहाँ पे इसका ऑर्डर क्या है? दिस इज स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. इसका ऑर्डर क्या है? 2 क्रॉस 2. तो अगर मैं इसका ऑर्डर 2 क्रॉस 2 लूँ, दैट मीन आई शुड बी 1 0 0 1. मैट्रिक्स whose diagonal elements are equal to 1. दैट मीन
Mm.
ये डायगोनल
Yes, sir.
है ना? ये
Yes,
डायगोनल है.
sir.
दिस इज डायगोनल है. डायगोनल, द वाइट line showing the diagonal. This is diagonal. ठीक है. In matrix we can't take this as a diagonal. ठीक है. Why we can't take this as a diagonal? Because in matrix we always start from this position, है ना? हम हमेशा a11 find करते हैं पहले. That's why this is a diagonal. ठीक है. Is it clear?
Yes, sir, it's clear.
So, and this is very important thing. You should remember this. You have to remember this because we are going to use this thing. I think this is going to use uh, most of the questions of algebra. 60 to 70% of algebra question are going to solve by this only. That IA is equals to AI and this is equals to A. This is very important. Okay. This is known as multiplicative identity. Okay. I is I
Yes.
should must have of the I should be I is a diagonal I is a identity matrix. And what do you mean by identity matrix? That diagonal elements are one. Okay. ये डायगोनल लेते हैं.
Yes, sir.
और जो ऑर्डर ए का होगा वही ऑर्डर आई का होगा. लाइक ए हैज ऑर्डर टू टू. मैंने आपको बताया था ना, दिस 2 क्रॉस 2 यू कैन से दिस एज अ 2 आल्सो बिकॉज दिस इज अ स्क्वायर मैट्रिक्स. So I also have must have the
Yes, sir.
2 order, or you can say 2 plus 2. So these two must have same order. So this is the multiplicative identity. Okay. You have some doubt in this properties till now
No, sir.
that we have covered.
No, sir.
Sorry. Okay, so that's all for the today. And if you have some doubt, I can
Yes, sir.
take that those doubts in next class also. Any doubt from 11th class or from today's topic, anything. Okay. ठीक है.
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Okay, yes, sir.
Okay, so आप जितना आपको पढ़ाया जा रहा है ये सब प्लीज रिवाइज दीज थिंग्स. ओके. Revise multiple
Yes, sir.
times as much as possible. You are able to revise these topics. You're going to make your concept stronger. और मैं आई थिंक आप बुक परचेज कर सकते हो कोई भी. अरिहंत इज ऑल्सो गुड. ओके.
Okay, sir.
Take any of the reference book, or if you're not finding any reference book, then go with the NCERT exemplar. That NCERT exemplar having
Okay,
very important, very good questions. I suggest
okay,
you,
sir.
I advise you to take two books. One, any publication like NCERT, like Arihant or what was the other? Arihant and Teva,
Oh,
what you was telling me on that thing? Arihant and
yes, sir.
Okay, you can take any book, Arihant or whatever, and along with that, you
Yes,
can
sir.
take NCRT Exemplar. Okay,
Yes, sir.
these both the books are very good. But your main aim, first of all, you have to finish multiple times so your this textbook, NCRT textbook. This is very important. Then आप साथ साथ क्वेश्चन बनाते रहो दूसरे बुक्स के भी, बट ये जो आपका बेसिक्स है दीज थिंग्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ठीक है. ओके, सो यू हैव सम डाउट इन दिस क्लास इन एनीथिंग यू वांट टू आस्क यू कैन.
No, sir, everything is clear. No, sir, I understood
एवरीथिंग
everything.
इज अंडरस्टूड.
Yes. Yes, sir.
ओके देन यू कैन
Sir,
लीव. या.
sir, the guide which you suggested us to use, Arihan, sir, like last year in 11th, we took scanner. In
What?
11th, we took scanner, and like, sir, in 11th, the guide which we refer was scanner, and like each guide like has their own simple language. So for like Arihant, what kind of language? Is it like simple, easy, or like tough? Because
Arihant
we
is
said
easy.
like last year,
Ari-
Arihant is
Arihant is
easy.
also good, good. See, I can't say it is a easy until or unless you are not able to clear, until or unless your concepts are not clear, you can't find any book easy, है ना. आपके पास आपने मेरे को दो पब्लिकेशन बताई थी, वन इज अरिहंत एंड अदर वन इज.
Sir, Oswal is good. Sir, what about
सी.
scanner? Is it good?
या. See, I'm not aware of that publication that you are talking about, Scanner. I'm not heard that book very much about that. But in class 12, this Arihant and Oswal are, I think these two. See, one more publication is there, Disha publication, I guess. Or it is something like uh, Exam Idea. Yeah, I think it is from the Disha publication, Exam Idea.
Sir,
But
exam
Arihant
idea
is,
is not good.
Exam Idea is not good.
No, sir.
And how you find that?
So like we went on
See,
website and we like look it's like we went on this.
सिर्फ वेबसाइट्स पे उतना कुछ नहीं बताया होगा कि this book is good or not. But I'll suggest take NCRT Exemplar and take Arihant. Okay. See, NCRT Exemplar is also Arihant publication. Okay. The book I am telling about you, the book I am telling, Arihant, NCRT Exemplar, that is also Arihant publication, NCRT Exemplar. And one other,
Yes, sir.
you can take one more book in which you can get a topic wise and the previous year question of that chapters. Yeah, topic wise and previous year questions. And that is, I think that type of things you can find in Arihant publication. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And if you are talking about Oswal, so generally Oswal के ना sample papers अच्छे होते हैं. At the last, uh, at the last when your exams are going to be held, at that time, you can take any reference and not reference, any sample paper books. In that, you can find 15 to 20 sample papers. जितने आप sample papers solve करोगे, जितना analyze करोगे, that is going to help. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay then.
Yes, sir.
Uh, Now I think we should finish the class. Class. Okay. Do you have some
Sir,
doubt?
no, thanks.
Any more doubt?
No, sir. No,
Clear?
sir.
And please
Yes,
revise
sir.
these topics. Okay. Because these questions जो मैंने आपको कॉन्सेप्ट्स कराए ना मल्टीप्लिकेशन के, दैट कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर आल्सो गोइंग टू बी यूज्ड इन योर टेस्ट आल्सो. एंड आई वांट बोथ ऑफ यू must get at least 90 to 95% marks in that exam. Okay.